So when replacing a battery on a lawnmower or any battery, of a matter of fact, what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is remove the negative terminal of the battery. And once you get the negative terminal removed, you can remove the positive terminal. And the reason for removing the negative terminal first is in case that when you're removing this positive terminal, you make contact with metal, you don't actually complete a circuit and you'll get a giant spark. You still want to be careful when removing this not to ground out and hit any metal, but that's kind of the reason for removing the negative terminal first. So there's the negative terminal off, and here we go with your positive terminal. Also, as you saw where I just dropped this wrench, you want to be very careful, because if you drop this and it hits across both of these, it's going to make a giant spark, and that will not be good at all. So then we remove the positive terminal. Off, it's locked on there pretty good. Keep your screws to the side. This guy here just kind of pops out somehow. Like so. Once again, you want to make sure you do not make contact between these two with any pieces of metal like this, because if this hits it, it's going to spark and close a circuit, and you do not want that. So you just pull your old battery out. Put your new battery in, make sure they're not pinching any wires down there, and then you can go ahead and secure the battery back into place. Now, when reconnecting the battery, this is a battery, so it's a DC power. You want to make sure that your positive and your negative are connected correctly. You'll see a plus and a minus. A plus is your positive, and your negative is a minus sign. So be careful, even because somebody could have took these and swapped these, and you might think that this is the positive and that is the negative. So never trust the caps on it. Make sure you actually read the thing. And then if you notice, we took the red is going to be your positive, and your black is always your negative on DC circuitry. So remember that. So first we'll connect our positive back up. Let's tighten this first, because once again, with this connected, if I make contact with this, it's going to cause a problem. So let's go ahead and make sure you tighten up this one first. See, just what I did right there would have completed a circuit had I had this negative connected. So just something to be careful with when you are doing this. Now you can connect your negative. And then you take this, slide this back over to cover it, and that is it. It is that easy to install a battery on your riding lawnmower. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos from me, hit that like button down below.